Hey everyone, Linus here. Today let's talk about smart displays. These awesome gadgets are like tablets, but with a speaker. They are like having a personal assistant right in your living room. You can do so much with them, from controlling your smart home to watching your favorite shows. Smart displays are becoming super popular, and for good reason. They make life easier and more fun. If you're thinking about joining the smart home revolution, a smart display is a great place to start. So buckle up and get ready to learn all about smart displays. By the end of this, you'll be ready to pick one out and start enjoying the future of home technology. Let's go. Alright, let's talk about smart homes. Smart displays are like the command center for your connected devices. Imagine this: you wake up on a Saturday and want to relax. Just say, "Hey Google, turn on the coffee maker," and boom, coffee is brewing. No need to even leave your bed. It's not just coffee though. You can control your lights, thermostat, even your robot vacuum. Having a party? Set the mood instantly with a voice command to dim the lights and play some music. Smart displays make managing all your smart home gadgets a breeze. No more fumbling with multiple apps or switches. It's all right there at your fingertips, or should I say, at the tip of your tongue. One of the coolest things about smart displays is the built-in voice assistant. Think Google Assistant or Alexa. These smart helpers are always ready to lend a hand, or rather, a voice. Need to set a reminder for your dentist appointment? Just say, "Hey Google, remind me about my dentist appointment tomorrow at 2 p.m. Want to know the weather before you head out? Alexa, what's the weather like today?" Easy peasy. But it doesn't stop there. You can use voice commands to set alarms, play music, get news updates, and so much more. It's like having your own personal DJ, news anchor, and assistant all rolled into one. Missing your friends and family? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from the people who matter most. Whether it's the distance or just the hustle and bustle of daily life, staying in touch can be challenging. Smart displays have got you covered. These handy devices are designed to bring people closer together, no matter where they are. Most smart displays come with a built-in camera, making it super easy to make video calls. With just a few taps, you can be face-to-face with your loved ones, sharing moments and making memories. You can use popular apps like Zoom or Google Meet to chat with loved ones near and far. These platforms are user-friendly and widely used, ensuring that you can connect with almost anyone anywhere. Imagine this: you're baking a cake and need a little help from grandma. Instead of struggling alone, you can get real-time assistance. Just call her up on your smart display and she can walk you through the recipe, step by step. It's like having a personal cooking class right in your kitchen. It's like having her right there in the kitchen with you. The warmth and guidance of a loved one can make any task more enjoyable and less daunting. Video calls aren't just for staying in touch with family though. They are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. You can also use them for work meetings, online classes, or even just to catch up with friends. Whether it's a professional setting or a casual chat, smart displays make communication seamless and effective. It's like having a window to the world right there on your countertop. With a smart display, the possibilities are endless. You can stay connected, informed, and entertained, all from the comfort of your home. Section 5. Entertainment Central, streaming, and more. In today's world, entertainment is at the heart of our homes, and smart displays are revolutionizing how we enjoy our favorite content. Get ready for movie night. Imagine the excitement of gathering your loved ones, preparing snacks, and settling in for an evening of cinematic delight. Smart displays are awesome for entertainment. They offer a seamless experience, allowing you to browse through countless options with just a few taps or voice commands. They can stream your favorite shows and movies from platforms like Netflix, giving you access to a vast library of content right at your fingertips. YouTube, Hulu, and more. Whether you're in the mood for a blockbuster hit, a viral video, or a binge-worthy series, these platforms have got you covered. Just imagine, you're curled up on the couch, ready for a movie marathon. The lights are dimmed, the popcorn is ready, and all you need to do is pick your favorite show. Just say, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix," and bam, instant entertainment. But wait, there's more. The convenience of voice commands means you can control your viewing experience without lifting a finger. Smart displays also double as music players. Stream tunes from Spotify, creating the perfect soundtrack for any occasion. Pandora, Apple Music, or whatever you prefer. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just relaxing, your favorite music is always just a command away. You can even listen to audiobooks while you cook dinner or relax in the bath. Transform mundane tasks into enjoyable experiences with the power of storytelling. With a smart display, you've got a whole world of entertainment at your fingertips. From movies and music to audiobooks and more, the possibilities are endless. It's like having a movie theater, concert hall, and library all in one device. Pretty cool, right? The future of home entertainment is here, and it's smarter than ever. Section 6, Picture Perfect Displaying Memories. Remember those awesome vacation photos? The ones where you captured the perfect sunset or that candid moment of laughter? Don't let them gather dust in your phone's gallery. Instead of keeping those precious moments hidden away, why not bring them to life? Smart displays can turn into digital photo frames, showcasing your favorite memories. These devices can transform any room by adding a personal touch with your cherished photos. You can connect your Google Photos or Amazon Photos account and choose which albums to display. It's incredibly easy to set up and customize. Imagine this: you're having a dinner party and want to show off pictures from your recent trip to Italy. Your friends and family can relive those moments with you. Just tell your smart display to show your Italy album and voila! Instantly your living room becomes a gallery of your adventures. Your guests can enjoy the sights while they savor the pasta. It's a great conversation starter and adds a unique flair to your gatherings. Smart displays aren't just for photos though. They are versatile devices that can serve multiple purposes. You can also display the time, weather, and other useful information. Imagine waking up and having all the information you need right at your fingertips. It's like having a personalized dashboard for your life, right there on your kitchen counter or nightstand. From reminders to news updates, everything is just a glance away. You can even use it to follow recipes while cooking, making it an indispensable tool in the kitchen. And let's not forget video calls. Stay connected with loved ones no matter where they are with just a simple voice command. Plus, you can stream your favorite music, turning your smart display into a mini entertainment hub, control your smart home devices, check your security cameras, and so much more. The possibilities are endless with a smart display. So why not make the most of your smart display? Turn it into a central hub for displaying memories and managing your daily life. Section 7. Time management made easy: calendars and tasks. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Smart displays can be your personal assistants, helping you stay organized and on top of your schedule. You can connect your Google Calendar or Apple Calendar and view your appointments and reminders right on the display. Need to remember to pick up milk on your way home? Just tell your smart display to add it to your shopping list. Have a doctor's appointment next week? Set a reminder and your smart display will give you a heads up. With a smart display, you'll never miss an important date or forget a task again. It's like having a personal secretary, keeping track of everything so you don't have to. Section 8. Cooking up a storm: interactive recipes, calling all foodies. Smart displays are about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Many smart displays offer interactive recipe apps that guide you through each step of the cooking process. Imagine this: you're trying a new recipe for chicken parmesan. You find the recipe on your smart display and start cooking. The display shows you step-by-step instructions, complete with images and videos. You can even control the playback with your voice, so you don't have to touch the screen with messy hands. No more flipping through cookbooks or scrolling through your phone with greasy fingers. Smart displays make cooking fun, easy, and stress-free. Section 9. Embrace the smart life. Your journey starts today. So there you have it. Smart displays are more than just fancy gadgets. They're your personal assistants, entertainment hubs, communication centers, and so much more. From controlling your smart home to helping you cook delicious meals, smart displays can truly make your life easier and more enjoyable. Are you ready to join the smart home revolution? I highly recommend giving smart displays a try. You might be surprised at how quickly they become an indispensable part of your daily routine. Until next time, stay techie.